Vermont Interfaith Action is a faith-based community organizing group, and we use a model that's very, very flexible. So our approach to working on issues of energy can vary depending on what our congregation members feel or the community needs at the time. Right now, we're looking at a public transportation issue to try to decrease the amount of fossil fuels that are being used, to try to increase public transit to medical facilities that are in South Burlington. And we feel like this is an important contribution to the overall use of energy in the county. And things could change at any time. We continually do listening campaigns with members of our congregations and members of the community to find out what issues are of importance to them. And I know that there are some congregations that are interested in green issues and in issues about stimulating the economy by providing green jobs. We already did that and asked some questions about that in our governor's forum that we had last year when the gubernatorial candidates were running for office. So I expect that we will continue to be able to respond to energy issues as things evolve in this area over the next few years. At Vermont Interfaith Action, we also employ a multi-sector approach. So I really appreciate the Champlain Initiative's emphasis on that. We feel that it's extremely important to partner with different organizations in the community. There are a lot of good organizations, both public and private, and nonprofit and for-profit, that are working together for solutions, and that's exactly what we want to do. We want to make sure that the faith community's voice is heard in that. But when we identify issues that our congregations want to work on, we do research with decision makers, and they could be in many different sectors of the community. And then we work with them, collaborate with them, put pressure on them sometimes if necessary to try to come up with solutions. So I very much appreciate the Champlain Initiative's emphasis on energy, on IT and communication, on the different changes going on in our population, and especially on healthcare, because that is an area where we've particularly overlapped with the Champlain Initiative right now. But we look forward to continuing that multi-sector approach in the future.